My lovely fans, who say there is no God? Who is that person who say God not the fight? Who is that person that say that there is no power above all men? God have showed himself again. Yesterday, the social media was on fire. Everywhere was hot. Madam Yinka Americana came out to post me Edochie number. Everywhere was hot. This woman put internet on fire. He said he's ready to come outside to post the chat, post me Edochie number. Do what you want to do. She don't care. Madam? As how? My lovely fans, why we fold our hands, they look this woman. Only then they don't fight themselves. May Edochie have not yet said anything. This woman have not yet opened her mouth. But the battle has begun to battle for her. Hey, you people don't know the grace this woman is carrying. Oh. This woman is carrying the grace of protection. This woman is carrying the grace of operation return back to sender. Hey, Mama Yinka, come see how the Edochie family don't abandon you. Messenger. I laugh in Chinese. My people, it has finally happened. They have started fighting themselves. The information coming to us right now is that Uche is against Leo. Leo is against Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is against Lynch. The woman, May Edochie, has not said a word. She has not yet opened her mouth. Only they don't fight themselves. According to the information, after Madam America Grandmama posted May Edochie phone number, many nations were angry. They begin to tackle everybody in the family. They even went as far to drag Pete Edochie and his wife. Because Yinka told us that she visited Pete Edochie and his wife. Said the husband and wife are very nice people. They welcome her. They welcome her. That they are very nice people. So, that means if Pete Edochie and Josephine Edochie welcome Yinka into their house, then why is it that Yinka is not dragging May Edochie? A wife that has been married to your family for 20 years, even if divorce take place. That woman have children for that family. The connection of children is eternity between a man and a woman, even if the marriage end. So why would they leave Yinka when he just come from backyard yesterday to be dragging May Edochie? So they drag the whole of the Edochie family into this. Posted their numbers. Hey, Peter Edochie number enter, Josephine enter, Uche enter, Leo enter, hey way Lynch enter, Yinki enter. Like all their numbers was on social media. That was where the kasala burst. After they posted all this number on social media, now they come reach out to Leo. Leo come pick. When Leo pick, we could hear wetin Leo talk. My people, before I go read down, you see Madam Yinka, you see the reason why they say if person enter where you don't know, if you enter a new city, anywhere where you new enter, put one leg for ground. Your mama not teach you. Hey, put one leg for ground for a reason. You just enter into the Edochie family, you put two legs. Now, they don't deny you. They say they don't know you. My lovely fans, let's go and see what Leo Edochie said about the so-called mouthpiece of the Edochie family. This is a 41 minutes call with Leo Edochie. He said he's not in support of anything against Queen May. He said we should call May and ask her. He said their dad is still standing with May and their mom and Jude. He said their dad and their mom is still standing with Queen. And Judy can never enter their parents' house. But as an elder brother, he can't cast his brother away. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even know that Yinka posted May number on the media. We told him everything, and everything Yinka told us about their family. I will not say that what Yinka said about the Edochie family here. Leo was shocked. We told him about she Jenny, but he said he doesn't know anything about her. What do you think? I think we need seeds and the seeds on Leo Edochie. So this is Leo Edochie. So those of you that is confusing Leo and Uche, this is Leo. Leo said he don't even know Yinka in person. That she is not married to his brother yet. He said if Yinka posts anything, we should focus on her and not his parents. Because they are not in support. What do you think? I think we should just focus on Lynch and his Ashawo, Yo and Judy. I think we should truly leave that old man for now, Sisley. But if the Edochie brothers, if the brothers of the Edochie brothers don't tell Yinka to stop, Papi will enter the show. Una dey hear? Now, they don't drag Leo, drag the family. Leo quickly wash his hands, indoor washing handle. And according to the information we hear, this is somebody that has met Yinka. They have secretly seen themselves. But now, publicly, they denied her. Let's stand with Leo this time. Because Leo don't come out publicly, can't deny Yinka. I think Yinka should be the one to answer Leo. Because at this point now, me support Leo. So that make Yinka come talk inside. You can see now that they are fighting themselves. Ah, God of me, Edochie. You can see that they gbas themselves. Leo said they don't know Yinka in person. He said he don't know her in person. The father don't know Yinka in person. The mother don't know Yinka in person. His brother is not married to Yinka. If Yinka is writing anyhow word on social media, we should concentrate on her and not his parents, because his parents are not in support of Yinka. This is coming from the eldest son of Pete Edochie. My brother, I support him. You know why I support him? Even if the story bend, we know say story bend, but I support him because Yinka, which position you dey now? If the eldest brother, the one after the father, is saying that they don't know you, that even Pete Edochie don't know you, you told us that you went to the father's house, you went to the mother's house, They welcome you. They are very nice people. They are Christians. And you don't know why they are dragging them. Mouthpiece of the gods. This is the biggest shame and disgrace for a woman of 56 years. Our children should be ashamed of their mother. I swear to God, the children of Yinka should be ashamed of their mother. This is really public disgrace. Imagine you coming all the way from America. You not see man for the whole of America. You from America, call Nigeria. They constantly manage you join. Because at this stage, you are going through menopause. You are not okay with yourself. We know all the symptoms that come with it. We even see they understand you small. But you know they understand yourself. Now, you came into this family. They just did the engagement. Pull ring for your hand. Do you know how many people when they pull ring for their hand normally? Only engagement ring. They can't manage, carry you go Uche show for Lagos. The next thing you come out, open mouth. Wow. What did they discuss? What did they tell her that makes her to open her mouth? Wow. She heard something inside the family. She hear, abi she not hear. At this point, I'm not going to support her. Yes. I'm going to stand with Leo and say, Yinka, nobody know you in the Edochie family. If they know you, prove it. The papa say not support you. The mama say not support you, Yinka. You are on your own. Who are you fighting for? Are you fighting for the spirit of your ancestors? Because the Edochie family said they don't know you. Peter Edochie say no know you. Josephine Edochie say no know you. The one when he can't even sweet us for inside this story. Leo did not stop there. When God want to expose your enemy, he go use all of the head eat each other. Now, Leo can't still talk another one when they not even ask him. They were asking him about Yinka. He can't even ask Juju Ekwensu Ojena. This one I sweet me for inside. Make we read her. Hey, wait. He said, their dad is still standing with me and their mom. And Judy can never enter their parents' house. But as an elder brother, he can't cast his brother away. He doesn't even know Yinka. Hey, in person. My people, now, the thing we know they see for here be say, na question about Yinka, now they ask Leo. Leo leave Yinka matter. Jump, enter Judy matter. Say Judy cannot enter into his parents' house. They no ask can Judy. They no ask can you. The man be like say he won't tell us what they happen. He say even in his father's house, Juju Ekwensu cannot step her feet. And as you all know, as I dey tell una for those of you following me, I've been telling you people for long that Josephine Edochie na stand her ground say, if Juju Ekwensu put her feet in that house, marriage is over. Now there they no say the woman serious. She says she don't want to set her eyes on Juju Ekwensu. They no marry Jenna. They not destroy her home. She will not stand and watch them destroy another woman's home. That woman has been standing on her ground. Peter Edochie, we don't want to talk about him again because since the son don't talk, though we know a lot, but let's cover what we know and just pretend. They say we should pretend as if we not see anything. But remember, the truth cannot be covered. As they say they expose themselves, only they go still expose themselves. So, my lovely fans, you guys can see how the Edochie family don't take they wash their hands come off for Yinka body. Uche wey dey for inside, they started calling Uche. Uche no gree pick. Uche no gree pick. Now, Uche can't call Leo. Can't tell Leo, say, why will Leo even talk to them? Leo should have abandoned them. He shouldn't have picked their call. Now Leo say, for what? Can't you see that they are dragging the parents into what they don't know? How Yinka go come out, come dey lie? 56 years old woman coming out to lie on his parents' head. Say his parents welcomed her. His parents, they did everything for her. Say the parents don't even know Yinka for her. They only hear for ear say their son, girlfriend come for Obodo Oyibo. Say they engage. They don't know more than that. So Leo say enough if fall down, may they drag the parents into what the parents don't know. If they want to drag Yinka, may they drag Yinka, may they drag Lynch, may they not involve the parents. Now Uche saying a lie. Say Leo did a big mistake. Leo shouldn't have even explained anything. Leo for not talk. Now Leo saying that one make him the senior brother. So you as a junior brother to him have no mouth to question his decision. Quarrel come boss between Leo and Uche. Uche say if not like that, saying if he pick, he go expose everything. Now Leo saying don't talk to you. The way you know, go talk your own. Now they can call Lynch can enter matter. Lynch can they tell Lynch and Leo can start their own basketballs. They can begin the exchange word. You can still enter matter. Right now, as I'm talking to you, basketballs is going up between the whole brothers. They are fighting themselves. Lynch Edochie say is going to expose. Uche say go expose. Leo saying don't talk your own. Waiting you know now he talk. If they get the one way they know, may they go see talk. Hey, yo say nobody can talk down on Juju Ekwensu. See the way they waiting can consign Juju Ekwensu for the matter. Now they say Leo tell Leo Edochie say now Juju Ekwensu start am. Now she start the madness. You enter house. Why can't you keep to your peace? Why can't you stay one place? Leo say the blame is on Juju Ekwensu. That's why he make the world to know. Say Juju Ekwensu can never step his feet. Now Yul Edochie say one can't talk everything. Now Leo tell Yul Edochie say, okay, if you want to talk, let's talk. Those children does not belong to you, and they are not welcome into their family because, according to their tradition, the spirit of their ancestors rejected all of them. Oh yeah, now make we enter social media. Hey, Kasala don't boss no. They don't they fight themselves. Then don't they fight themselves. Yinka we carry matter put for head now. They don't start to the deny. They don't throw when Yinka for corner. Now Yul Edochie saying talk and say Leash was jealous of him. When he was posting, the same Leash was saying, bring your family out of social media. If they do you, they go jejeje, now only drag them, they drag them. But this your wife want to overtake. She enter, she won't overtake. She want to create a nation. She won't create people who go to follow. She won't build a page. She can't overdo. Now Yul Edochie can't tell Leash Edochie say, see Anna. The one way you can't carry can't worst part Juju Ekwensu. Now Leash Edochie say na lie. Say Nika was only trying to fight for the family. Now they say who she can't tell who she can't tell Lynch say who send them. Who send them? So my people, as it is now, the whole family are now fighting themselves. Each person ready to expose the truth. You see that this whole matter when it happens. Before I continue, this is the conversation of everything they said. My people, make I feel welcome on now. This video not to take. This is Meryl True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. And to all my wonderful subscribers, may God Almighty bless you all in Jesus' name. Please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook. I have only one page on Facebook, which is Meryl True Life Story. If you see anybody reposting my video or using my voice or using my video on their page, do me a favor by reporting that page massively. That is not my page. My page is Meryl True Life Story. Thank you and God bless. So this is the conversation of Leo Edochie where he said, yeah, she's thinking Yinka and Jude. Congratulations to your strong brother. He won internet trying to destroy his ex-wife and in the process also dramatize his kids. Truly the son of a lion. So this is one of Judy's supporter. Waiting he writes. Now see where they go pick and come outside. Then Leo can say, but this is Leo. All this really don't concern me. People have been sending me messages. They should shine it to the right direction. My lovely fans, as it is now, Kasala don't burst. Who is winning this battle now? Who is winning the battle? May Edochie have not said a word. They have started fighting themselves. My people, story full ground though. Wait till our ear don't hear. They say make we not talk. Because Leo say grandpapa don't old. Maybe Pino go by grandpapa. So we hold our peace for some time, but make them they put themselves and Yinka in order. We go leave grandpapa. We not go talk again. But if they put their home in order, it no concern us. Wait till we they ask say make they respect May Edochie and remove May Edochie from their dragging. They should talk to Yinka. No Alain. So my people, wonder shall never end. May Edochie have not said anything yet. Gbasgbos don't enter this family. They say not be small quarrel. I wish they did together they for even fight. Because Leo stand his ground that Yinka is not yet married. They've not married her. So those of you that are still confused, that are asking they married, they have not married her. It is engagement Kinikon they did to her. Yoruba girl for that matter. Yoruba girl, they know they mumu like this now. Kilon Shele Yinka, which side of the Yoruba did you come from? Like this, your own is getting too much. So because they just put a ring in your hand, and all you have to do is come out and be making man chon 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 chon. You know, see as Yoruba gets wise. You know, see as they get brain. Hey, are you sure you are truly Yoruba? Sure say not be one country where near us or there you for come. Because this your shame, they shame us. Only one leg, how they put for ground. You just put two legs, carry chest face front. Hey, see me, I'm the champion. Now they don't they deny you. Even Yul Edochie say not send that message. Yul Edochie say not send Yinka message. Say after all, Lynch Edochie told him that he should remove his case from social media. He said, maybe Lynch Edochie facing you now. So this whole family, the whole things are complicated. Everything. This one talk go here, that one talk go here, that one talk go here. Though our eyes clear with the see road well, but we fall down, they look them. Now only them go still review themselves. Now only them go still expose themselves. Leave your comments in the comment section. See you. Bye-bye.